Hello friends, today we have a series about 6x6 Brabus from which we want to make a copy of Brabus beats. Our alternation starts with the documents. Now I want to go to the police and get the permission for equipment, and then to the Kiev Institute for Equipment. We have one, but this is later. Now we need a technical inspection certificate. This paper that is given for equipment, there are all the data from the technical passport. We already have a lot of experience in converting cars. We have already made limousines in various replicas of Ferrari, Lamborghini cars. That is, all these can be formalized by law. I also want to talk to an expert. I will tell him that we want to cut the frame in the center to make the wheelbase long. I will listen to what he has to say. If there will be any problems with the examination, let's go. It turned out I took a permit. This is how it looks. The certificate of technical inspection for equipment. Well, basically, everything went according to plan. We received permission for a bishment from the police. I talked with an expert who checks the number of the frame. I explained the body number to him, showed the photo that we want to do, cut the frame so that the wheels can be diluted. But he says no. This car will not pass our examination. Therefore, our conclusion is that we will not cut the frame, but move the rear suspension back. The frame will remain intact. So we'll show you how we'll do it all. So guys, now I want to shoot a speedometer on our 6x6 in the future. Let's shoot what we have on our own wheels and what will happen next now. I will try to accelerate 80 km per hour, then 100. Remove the dashboard on my phone. Now we have 80 km per hour is a little less than 2000 RPM. Now let's try to accelerate 100 km per hour and see the RPM. Here we have a RPM of about 2300. Well, guys, this day has come. Now we're dropping into the garage and we'll cut my beloved Galact. I will drive for 6x6. I will come to my friends for a joyride. They will think the president soon arrived in an expensive car. We cannot buy anything for ourselves, but only do it.
Like stars that shine in darkness glows so bright. You once told me I'd have to dim my light. My mystic being, held by gravity, I almost let you hold me back from everything. Oh, me and my shadow learn to let go. Oh, burning my fears now, stealing the power. Keep falling, falling, I won't keep falling, falling. shot my conscience, flew up to the sky. Are you still giving? But now I'd ask you why. Say I'm different, let your words run out, but I'm not desperate.
So the guys are watching. See what we can do. Like it. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.
You don't know me.
Blah, blah.